Hey guys, hope you are doing well. My name is Mohammed Danish and we are back with another weekly analysis. So in this week we are going to cover gold, and also we have added one more pair, which is BTC. So as you know, like nowadays gold and BTC both pairs are booming a lot. I personally trade gold a lot, so we thought like we should add the BTC as well. And also, you know, like last couple of weeks we have not done any sort of analysis, as in the market there's a lot of holidays and there is no volume. So we are expecting there's a lot of volume in the coming weeks. So let's dive into the charts and see what we have for this week. So here we have the Bitcoin monthly chart. So let's break down the Bitcoin from beginning to all the way till he break 100k and above. So this was the first high for the Bitcoin, where he goes all the way up near to 20k, like 19,973, and then it goes all the way down to till 2,700, 3,000, and then another retest, and then again come down. So if you pay attention here, so you see the retest and then again breakdown. So it repeats this cycle again when he first time break this 20,000 level. So this move started from here like 10,000 and all the way bullish, and then it break down again, it comes down all the way, and then again retest, grab the liquidity, like you can say he take out all the sellers and even the buyers, and then all the way coming down, and it take out all the buyers here as well, and it goes all the way down to almost retest the previous high. So now what happening, it is just repeating the cycle again. So this was the next high the Bitcoin has made, like you see this one 70,000, and then the new cycle has been started from here, like where you can say 50k, and now it is going all the way up. So sooner or later the price will come down, and minimum it must retest like 70k, and maximum it can easily retest this week as well 50k, or you can say like this body. So for Bitcoin it does not really matter, like they can create such sort of wicks like of 3,000 4,000 US dollar within a 5 to 6 minutes. So I personally believe, like I'm not saying in terms of trading, I'm saying in terms of investment, where we can look for if someone really want to invest in BTC. So this was the good level where we can get in. Let's move to the lower time frame, weekly. Here's the weekly time frame. So in the weekly time frame, let me remove those charts and draw some zones here. So as of now, this was the area where BTC is create a range here, and in the downside I personally believe like price should come down here, minimum it should come down here as per weekly time frame, or maybe the price come down and just retest the previous high, which is this one, and like price can easily come down here. So if you know how to get in, so I would say in terms of investment, so yeah, you can come in here, or even if you look for a day-to-day based trade, so we need to wait price break this zone in the downside, and it would be possible in coming days. Also I was reading today somewhere, let me show you here, this was a report from Binance Square. So they were saying like the crypto market will witness 2.6 billion in Bitcoin Ethereum option contract expire today, like the yesterday the contracts has been expired. So this massive expiration could impact the short-term price action. So this news will definitely impact the Bitcoin, and we may see a good correction in the downside. And once price break this zone, it would be, I would say, the free fall till 70k, and it could be a chance for those who miss those move, they can get in here, or maybe the price can spike further down till 50k. I'm not expecting too much till 50k, but minimum I'm expecting like the price should come down 70k to complete the cycle, to retest the previous high, and then it could go bullish. And also, you know, like we have next week NFP, and also in the coming couple of weeks we have the Trump oath ceremony as well. So once Trump get in, so I'm expecting there's a bit of correction before further bullish move. So yeah, so this would be the good buy zone in terms of BTC. So yeah, and also you can come down further in terms of daily. So you see the daily, weekly and monthly time frame are completely confluenced with each other, and the levels are perfectly overlapping. So once price break the zone and comes down, there is a free fall, there is no hurdle in the left side, so we can expect like price minimum can come down 70k and even spike down to 67k, 65k, and if we get more correction then 50k is on the card as well, but that is the least expectation from my side that Bitcoin will come down to retest this zone. But yeah, the Bitcoin, once it moves in one way, there's a very wild kind of move. So yeah, we need to be very careful. So yeah, this is all we have in terms of BTC. So we already discussed the BTC. So let's cover our next pair, which is gold. Let's dive into the charts and see what we have for gold. So here we have the gold weekly time frame. If you see the weekly time frame, you see the price is quite stuck in a range from the last 3-4 weeks. So this was a big bullish engulfing candle, and since that, like, price were just ranging between this range. So hopefully within this month, price will come out of this range in the higher time frame, and we will see one way direction of gold. Overall it is still bullish, but I want to see some good retracement in gold before it goes all the way up, even 3000. So yeah, so let's move to the lower time frame on the daily. So here we have the daily time frame for gold. So let me draw some zone here. So here is a kind of zone for now. So this is a very critical zone for now. So this zone is confluence with previous history as well. So you see price goes all the way bullish and then come down, and it start ranging around this zone before it goes all the way bullish again, and then it comes down all the way and break this zone 2630 32, and then again comes down and stuck here almost 1.5 week here again before it breaks up again. Thursday price break all the way bullish, I think, as per New Year resolution. So the gold is also celebrating this. So and then the Friday it comes back down again here. So this is a kind of level. So hopefully in the early Monday, like you can say Asian session, London session, we can look for some sort of buy position here with follow the price action, the lower time frame, and first target should be like this 2660 50. Even a price just hit 50, it would be good. So we can create some sort of zone. So once price break the zone in the high side, so we can do in this way. We are anticipating like price will come down, maybe a deep retest here. After deep retest, price can go all the way bullish and retest this. Even not 2658, but it can gives easily, like with 30-40 pip SL, it can easily give us like 150 pips. Like 2650 can be on the card. Like price can go 2632 and then all the way bullish on the daily time frame. And once price break this zone in the high side, like 2658, it can open a good buy trade till 2700, and same is the case in the downside. If price does not respect this zone 2630 32, or maybe spike down to 2628, if does not respect this zone, then we may see the further downside movement till 2600, minimum 2605. So this is the kind of good but clear ranges in the daily time frame. So we'll see once price open during Monday, and hopefully during Monday, during the Asian session, we may see the bullish movement. But let's dive into the lower time frame and see what we have on the day-to-day based trade. So here we have the gold H4 chart. So let me draw some zones here. This is the good area. You see this. So this area is perfectly overlapping with the daily time frame, and also it is overlapping with the H4 time frame as well. And in the high side, as price create a very good clean range in the high side and then comes down all the way bearish, and in the high side, this is a very good area in terms of target. And in the downside, minimum it could be this, and maximum it could be this, and the minimum it could be this zone. And let me draw one more zone in the high side, which is this one. So these are all the levels where we can look for some sort of opportunities and look for trade options. So what is the first opportunity? So first opportunity is simple, like if price comes down to this zone and respect this zone, this is a kind of zone where we can look for buy option during Asian session, and our first target would be this 2660. So I would say, like, if someone get 100 plus pips, they need to close it, does not need to wait for till 2660, because it takes a lot of patience to hold the trade till this. But this is a kind of very good zone in terms of buy option. And same thing, and also if you do not want to miss the opportunity, so I would say you can get partial in like 2632, and then you see like prices further spike down, so you can get in further. So on the other hand, if price does not respect this zone, so we can have the good target and we can look for sell option, and this could be the target. But I personally is a kind of bullish in the early part of the week before NFP, so I will look for buy opportunity here as well. We just are trying to play in our ranges, and we need to be flexible in terms of our biases. We do not need to marry with our biases, we just need to be flexible. We need to follow whatever the price action is offering to us. And the next good buy option would be like this. If price break this zone in the high side, this would be the very clean traffic here as well. So on the downside, we look for sell option, and even price can come down this here as well. And with the help of NFP, if price break this area in the downside, then we can look for further sell option. But I would say next week this could be the very much possible moves, and these are the levels where we can look for buy and trade opportunities basically. So yeah, this is all we have in terms of gold. Hopefully you enjoy our weekly analysis, as we have added more interesting pairs, BTC as well, and also we are covering gold, and you will see a lot of educational content, live sessions in the coming weeks as well. And yeah, this is all we have for this week. Hope you enjoy our analysis. And also we have the Discord community where I mostly be there during NVS session, where you can join. There is no premium subscription, no paid signals, no course selling. Everything is free for everyone. You all are premium for me, so you can join there and you can enjoy my day-to-day based analysis on Discord. So hope you enjoy the analysis. Thank you so much. Have a great day.